Alrighty. Um, for those who are wondering, no, this isn't a Minecraft Pi video. I know I make a lot of those, but I want to try and make a few regular Python-based videos. And so I've been working on a project, and I figured it might be a good video. It's a TTS program. For those who don't know what TTS means, it means text to speech, usually involving AI, and that's always fun. So let's look on the photos in the project that you will get. You get my MP3s, my scripts, my audio documents, .assets, that's actually supposed to be hidden, but I have show hidden files enabled, logs.txt, that should be in .assets, but I couldn't get that to work for some reason, it was thrown unavailable, main.py, import me.txt, and readme.md. This will be updated. I think one of these files also needs updating to include someone's name, but without further ado, let's run main.py. Do you want to listen to an auditorial explanation on using this program? Now, fair warning, I do have my volume very high so that you can hear this, because I can't record system audio. And it will definitely sound a lot different when you use it, just because of that. Oop, I hit my keyboard. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's just say yes.
I am glad you have decided to say yes to my explanation. It may be a bit long, so get your popcorn. If you don't know what I am, then let me explain. I am a text-to-speech software with tons of features such as the following. Speak speaks the inputted text. History is clickable and can be saved. Save saves the currently selected history item. Remove removes the currently selected history item. Save as script saves all history to a text file. I can also open text files and read from them. Here are some more features that are for reading from a file. Save this line saves the currently selected line. Save by line saves each line in a project folder. Save as one saves the entire text file as an MP3. This line says the currently selected line. By line says each line one by one. All lines says all lines at once. About the About section. I also poses some command line tools. For more information on them, run the program with -help. I hope this was useful to you. Enjoy. Smiley face.
Okay, that may have been loud to you, but for me that was really loud. Oh no, that may have been quiet for you. Here's the program when it's running. It's as you may expect from me, a quite simple GUI application. And let's do as it says and click this text. Fancy, fancy, yes, very fancy.
Click this text.
Ooh, that's even more fancy. Let's have it say something else. No, I wouldn't do that. Much better.
Like and subscribe.
If I also click this text and have it say it again, it would just
Click this text.
move to the top. That took a while to implement. You can also, as it said, remove stuff. That was buggy for a long time. Let's. No, I don't know. Darn it. I should have saved the other one. But let's save this an MP3 file. Ask what path you can browse, but I'll just hit OK. And yeah, it doesn't really tell you anything, but that should be done. And save as script. This will save anything in this box right here or your history as a script. Okay, so let's go see if those are there. My MP3s. Oh,
Click this text.
that's not showing up properly, but it worked. Um, my audio documents. Or would it be in? Oh no, it's in my scripts. Script1.txt. Here it is. Exec replica of logs.txt. This with a different name and in a different location. Okay, so let me bring that program back up because there was one main feature that this program has besides speaking stuff for you, which is actually really good for YouTubers who need text-to-speech programs because this is 100% open source and free to use. Import me.txt. Well, we have to import this. I'm not sure if this needs updating, but let's have it save this file line by line.
Created by Wallee with help from Big Django /FG6 and Leha 2.0.
That's supposed to
This
be
is
Leha.
a test file to import into the program. I hope you are not the one reading it. You can also import your own text documents and have the program read them. It can handle a lot but may skip certain characters like slashes. Some acronyms may not work unless they are lowercase. For more info on how to use this program, click the About button or run with the following command. Python 3tts GUI.py-help.
Oh yeah, that needs to be updated. Let's do that now, I guess. Me.txt. Um, there. Okay, so yeah, that's now updated. I can also have this, it say just one line. So actually, let's reopen this real quick. Say this line.
Python 3 main.py-help.
Okay, yeah, that worked. I can, of course, save this line. Done. Save by line. This is going to take a second. Done. And save as one. And this one is going to ask me for a name, so okay, that should be done here. Okay, yeah, done. This may be a bit slow for you if your file is longer and you have slow internet. You can also have it say all lines, which will just have it say it as one big string instead of line by line. That may be helpful, but if you don't have periods at the end, that may not be so useful. And here's the about, which needs updating as well to include this video's link, but you can read that at your own pace. So yeah, that's the program, but that isn't all. As it said, let's try with dash help.
I am calling out to you.
Did you hear what I just said? Let's just be honest for now and say yes.
That is good. I am very glad you heard me. Here are some instructions.
Okay, so here are some arguments and stuff you can give. Dash say words, dash read, dash how to play the MP3 file you heard when it asked if you want an auditory explanation. Breathes, oxygen, and then there's dash help, which shows this. Okay, well, let's try some of these.
I like cake.
So do I. Dash read, and it should be import me. Maybe I don't want to say that long file. Let's say the program file. No, no, that's over 600 lines. Logs, just full of logs.txt.
Click this text.
And that's the only thing that is in logs. Uh, there's also dash how to, but that's the exact thing. You've already heard it before. And if I be dishonest,
I am calling out to you.
no, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. This is a tragedy. Oh no, I am mute. Here are some troubleshooting instructions. Sound on? Test it by typing VLC or MPV and enter the launch VLC Media Player or MPV. Modules not found? Try using pip or pip3 to install them, or let me auto-install them when I ask. Something else? DMI creator Wallee on Discord or Reddit. Warning, Wallee rarely checks Reddit. That is very true. Discord, there's my Discord tag. feel free to send me a DM and Reddit. Use my Reddit profile. I think if I use control click it opens that, but I read not. Okay, so let's go with MPV. Huh. Then I use .o. Okay, let's try that again.
I am calling out to you.
Now, MPV.
This is me using MPV to speak. This message is pre-recorded and does not need the GTTS module installed.
Okay, well, I may have to fix that bug. I may also want to add another argument. What was it again? Ooh, I can't remember. But there may be another argument later, so make sure you do that dash help and say yes to get that. So, anything else? There's a few more things I want to do. Quick jump cut. Oh yes, 5 seconds later, and I remembered, of course. Okay, so, I forgot again. Recording. Alright, so I wanted to pip3 uninstall GTS. And can I also uninstall Python at the same time? Yes, I can. Okay. So let's run the main program again. The Google text-to-speech module is not installed. May I install it for you? Sure. Actually, just go with no forced. Actually, just go with incorrect answer. Yeah, just ask again. So, no. No. I am sorry, I cannot speak unless you have installed the following modules. GTTS, Google Text-to-Speech, Play Sound, Audio Player. Additionally, you are missing the Python for GUI module. You will be unable You will only be able to use arguments to tell me what to say / read without it. Type python3 main.py help for more info. Okay, well, let's let it install this. And say no. The Python for GUI module is not installed. May I install it for you? No, that line, yeah, I didn't need to do that. You are missing the Python for GUI module. I'm unable to give you a graphical interface to interact with me. Okay. Okay, so I gotta finish this recording real quick, so, use the source code. It is 600 something lines of code. Yeah, there's a lot of code here. Okay, well, I'm going to, fix that thing, potentially add a new input command, and, I'm sorry if you heard that, ignore that. And then I suppose I'll post a video and upload the file to GitHub. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. Mata Auto Day.
Wait, what does Mata Auto Day mean? You say it at the end of every video and I still don't know.
Oh, you may never know.